The national team is currently in residential training at the Safaricom Stadium, shaping up for the East and Central Judo Championships slated for Zanzibar next week. The strong-started 28 team leaves the country on Tuesday, with the technical bench sounding a warning to would-be opponents that they are not going to Zanzibar as tourists. Hassan Juma reports.
In the 2016 East and Central Africa Judo Championships, Kenya was runners-up, bagging 7 gold medals, 5 silver and 19 bronze medals, despite what they termed poor officiating. Their eyes are now fully cast on the top prize in Zanzibar Island.
Na maandalizi ambayo tumekuwa nayo, maandalizi ambayo ni mazuri. Tumekuwa hapa leo ikiwa ni siku yetu ya 8 na pia bado tupo hapa mpaka tutakapoondoka siku ya Jumanne.
Tunatarajia tutakuwa nambari ya kwanza, sababu hii mwaka tumejiandaa vya kutosha.
According to reports, this could arguably be their best bet in the regional championships, having been in residential camp for a longer period of time compared to previous years, and the team selection was an all-inclusive affair.
The organization is coming back into normality. We have so many teams being incorporated to make one team, and that is why we hope at least we will make it.
The side expects stiff competition from the host Zanzibar, but believe they have what it takes to tame the home side and silence the critics. The 30 players have been shaping up at the Safaricom Stadium in Kasarani under the watchful eyes of a technical bench that is determined to put right the wrongs of Bujumbura in Burundi last November. Kenya will battle it out with Tanzania, Uganda, Burundi, Rwanda, Ethiopia, Djibouti, Somalia, South Sudan and host Zanzibar, among others. Hassan Juma, KTN Sports.